The bowline knot is a simple and effective way to create a non-jamming loop in a rope. To tie the bowline knot, we start by forming a loop in the rope. Don't do this at the far end of the rope, because you do need some rope to create the bowline knot. Next, we take the working end. That's the part of the rope which is used to tie the actual bowline knot with, and we put it through the loop we have created from below. We pull enough working end through to finish the bowline knot. We made the loop a bit smaller so it will fit better in the video. Now take the working end, then go underneath the standing part. To finalize the bowline knot, we take the working end. Then we stick it back through the loop we have created in the first step. To tighten the bowline knot, we pull on both the standing part and the loop.